Hey, and welcome, day 20. Hopefully, you begin to incorporate your daily practice into your day to day, or at least every so often throughout the week. It's going to be so beneficial to you, both mind and body, as you already know. But I'm truly hoping that you have been enjoying these videos. So, with today's practice, it's going to be simply 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. I've kind of sprinkled them throughout the challenge. So, this is our last 10-minute practice. It's primarily a mat workout. So, you are most likely going to sweat. Coming into a seated, cross-legged position, drawing your shoulders onto your back, allowing yourself to close your eyes. Taking deep, deep, long inhales here. Just really drawing in that oxygen into your blood cells, into your entire body. Feeling that life force energy moving through you, that vibrancy, that universal energy source that's available to us all. With a short minute practice, you're welcome to go back and supplement it with maybe a gentle practice, maybe even a yin practice. If you're doing yin, then I encourage you to do yin before this practice, but that's beyond whatever you choose to do. So from here, just allow yourself just to wiggle your shoulders from side to side, just bringing in some movement into your body, relaxing those shoulders down. We'll just do a bit of a breathing exercise. So you can either keep your palms over top of your knees or place your right palm over top of your belly, left palm over top of your heart, whatever you choose to do here. Take a deep, long inhale as a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Noticing your muscles relaxing. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. Last one. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. So bring your hands together in front of your heart, taking a gentle bow towards your heart. Just giving yourself this intention of challenging your body today. Challenging your body and bringing that connection with your mind. As we move in a short 10-minute mat workout practice, be gentle with yourself and give yourself grace. Where you're at is exactly where you are meant to be at. So just understand that, accept that, and give yourself some love. And give yourself some love. As you exhale, just gently releasing your palms to your sides as you blink your eyes open. Okay, so let's get started. So to start, we're going to come down into a dolphin. So placing your forearms down onto your mat, and I have just started the timer. So we've got 10 minutes, if not a little bit less. Pressing your palms down. With your next exhale, begin to lift your hips off of your mat. Good. Keeping your feet down. So we're moving into a dolphin pose. Looks a little bit like down dog, but with your forearms down. So having said that, you're wanting to take your tailbone up towards the sky, pressing your forearms and your palms down, so really spreading your fingers down. Belly continues to draw in, chest forward. With your next exhale, walking your feet towards the back of your mat, shifting forward into a dolphin plank. This is 1. Exhale, begin to lift your hips up. And exhale, walking back. This is 2. Lengthening your neck forward. Good. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach forward. Inhale, up. Exhale. Halfway there. Inhale. Exhale, belly draws in. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Reaching that chest forward, reaching the neck forward, relaxing those shoulders down. You got this. Inhale. Last one. Exhale. Pressing your palms down, lengthening your neck. Good. And coming back, walking your feet, coming up onto your palms into downward facing dog. Good job. Gently walk it out. From here, rippling your way all the way forward. Moving into a high plank. Good. From here, reaching forward, lengthening that spine. Belly draws in. Good. Bending into those knees, low plank. You're still pressing your palms down, still reaching your upper body as it is. That's 1. And exhale, lift. Inhale down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Halfway there. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 2 more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Sinking back. Relaxing those shoulders, relaxing your arms, maybe rocking your wrists, circling them around. Coming back up into plank. Lifting up. Good. We're going to get the left. So drawing that left knee over towards your left elbow. And back. And back. 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. We'll get that on the other side. I just have to turn around. So from down dog, here we go. Inhale, reaching your chest forward into plank. Okay, relaxing those shoulders. All right, exhale. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Come all the way down onto your back. Drawing your knees in towards your chest. We're going to begin to lower those legs. Relaxing those shoulders down your back. Remember, your palms, your arms are a part of this. So begin to reach your legs up towards the sky. Are you ready? I know, I'm buying myself some time. From here, pressing your palms down. Deep long inhale. Exhale, begin to lower. Hover. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hover. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hover. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hover. Inhale, reach up. Halfway. Exhale, hover. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hover. Inhale, up. Two more. Exhale, hover. Inhale, up. Last one. Exhale, hover. Inhale, up. Good. Drawing those knees in towards your chest, giving them a nice tight squeeze, rocking from side to side. So this time, I'm going to be looking towards you. So from here, placing your palms down, taking your legs out wide. Good. Like so. Deep long inhale, reaching your arms towards the back of the room. With your exhale, drawing your arms in between your legs. Good. That's one. And back. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Two more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Good job. Drawing those knees in towards your chest, giving them a nice tight squeeze. Good. When you're ready, come all the way up to seated. All right. So this is a bit of a wild card. So we've gone through 5 exercises. So in those 5 exercises, take the remaining of this time to do one of them again. So one of them you're going to be doing twice. My choosing, it's going to be high plank to low plank, but you choose your own. I can count you in. So I'm going to get set up in a high plank. Relaxing my shoulders down. Okay, so pick the one that you'd like to choose. Lengthening, here we go. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Halfway there. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. That was 10 minutes. I know, it goes by so fast, but when you're doing it, it's like if it takes forever. But good job. You just completed your 10 minutes of a mat workout, helping with that core. Really just, it brings so much to you. It helps with self-confidence because you're able to lengthen out your spine. You're walking taller. And at the same time, it's also going to help with your yoga practice, your yoga asana practice. So I'm excited. Thank you so much for joining me on your mat today, and I will catch you in tomorrow's lesson. Bye.